In this video, I'm going to cover 3 strategies for brand new real estate investors to help them start investing in real estate efficiently and today. In fact, I'm going to present 3 common problems or obstacles that new investors come across. I'm going to provide a solution I'm going to walk you through. It's bright up here. All right. I can't even, oh gosh, all right. Plus, oh my gosh, I don't know. All right, hold on. Plus, I'm going to provide you with, is it okay if my eyes are closed during? Plus, I can't open both eyes. All right. Like I can't see my eyes because it's so freaking bright. Plus, I'm gonna provide you and walk you through a solution with a free giveaway on each step. I'm up here on a roof, squinting my eyes to give you this information. So hopefully you like that. If you do, hit the like button. The first problem I want to talk about is lack of knowledge, and specifically lack of time for you to learn that knowledge. With new technology, specifically AI technology, it makes getting information extremely efficient and extremely quick. You have limited spare time. You don't have time to watch an hour-and-a-half long presentation or an hour-long YouTube video to learn one thing. But if you have a specific question, now you can get a specific answer very quickly with AI technology. Most people know about ChatGPT. That's obviously free. You can check that out. I've done some research and done other videos on that. While the information is decent, it's not really real estate focused. In order to provide you a better solution and grow my brand, I am excited to announce the launch of Sam Chat. It stands for Sam, Simply Ask Me, and Chat. It's an AI technology that we basically took all of my videos, we transcribed them, we aggregated them, and then we put them in an AI software. And if you go to samchat.io or check the link in the description, it is a free AI chatbot that is just focused on real estate. It's taken all my videos, all my content, everything, and it answers any question you have how I would answer, because guess what? With almost 10,000 hours worth of content out there, pretty much any question you have has been asked and I've answered it online. Now, rather than siphoning through all my YouTube videos or all my Instagrams, you can simply go to samchat.io and you can ask any question about real estate. It will give you an answer directly how I answered it, or it'll aggregate several of my answers and give you the best one. And in fact, it also links the YouTube videos that the answers came from. So it is an extremely efficient way to give you the most up-to-date information and answers that I have actually given based on my experience of buying 1,000 houses and buying $45 million worth of real estate. Now, we have tested it versus ChatGPT, and I want to quickly show you a few examples of my answers versus ChatGPT answers. All right, I feel a little bit better now, less sweaty, my eyes can open fully, and let's dig into samchat.io. All right, as you can see here, the setup, we don't need to dig in too much because hopefully you'll be checking it out yourself, but it has all the links to everything. It also has some pre-populated questions. So let's just click on this one. What is the BRRRR method? All right, so it takes a second, it's thinking, it's going through all my videos, and then it's gonna spit out what the BRRRR method is. As you can see, it pulled up the BRRRR method with a lot of detail, giving you examples based on what I've said. Now, let's look at what ChatGPT says about the BRRRR method. So the BRRRR method, it stands for buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. You can read it, and there's its answer. So there's another example of how mine is definitely more detailed. This is what it is, but this doesn't really give you any context or nuance. Let's see what I say about calculating rental rates. Give me a second to think. All right, calculating rental rates can be crucial, so just giving you a little context to it, and then it's saying, you know, Zillow rents estimate, it's saying rentometer, giving you other tools, and it's saying look at other market rates. So again, a little more detail of an answer. And then as you scroll down, you will see that it gives actual videos and actual timestamps of videos that you can read what I wrote, but then you can also watch videos that explain exactly what that question is. Super good. Let's see what chat says real quick. Involved considering various factors such as location, demand, okay, good. Research the market, consider property, location. So it's just, again, very general. It doesn't say actually what to do, like going to Rentometer or going to Zillow or looking at actual markets, actual products that are on the market, what they're renting for. Again, not horrible information, but in my opinion, it's just more base level, like very broad, not focused just on real estate like samchat.io is. Hopefully this just shows you a little bit. Check out samchat.io, like I mentioned earlier, if you want to check it out for yourself. But there you go, samchat.io beats ChatGPT. Let's head back to the sun now, damn it. Problem number 2 is it's hard, it's complicated, and it's expensive to set up LLCs. I think it's really important for you to have an LLC if you want to start investing in real estate, even if you haven't started investing yet. There are several reasons why I think having an LLC is important. Let's go to SamChat now and ask SamChat what he thinks about setting up LLCs. All right, back in the nice, cool, not sunny weather. let's look now why you should set up an LLC and what SamChat says about that. All right, so it says if you think about setting up an LLC or business, you may have heard setting it up. So in this video, again, there's a video below that it's gonna populate that shows you why setting up an LLC is important. But as you can see here, it gives you a very detailed answers as to why an LLC is set up important, give you some advantages to it and some drawbacks, but then there's some videos down here where we'll actually show you what to do. And as always, click on that link in the description, like I said earlier, where you can talk to Primm Corporate yourselves, but here's an example of what SamChat says about it, so hopefully you're checking that out as well. All right, one more time, back up in the sun. As you can see, setting up LLCs is extremely important, but it doesn't have to be expensive. In fact, it can be free. If you go to the link below in the description, I'm offering a free LLC setup, a free entity setup with my partners at Primm Corporate Services. You schedule a call with them, they'll answer any question you have about setting up an LLC, tax structure, how holding companies work, how you should set up your company, from tax prep to tax filing, anything you have on the tax side or the business side, they'll give you a free 45-minute consult, and they will also set up an entity for you for free because you use my link. So now you have the information of why LLCs are important, and I'm even setting it up for you for free. So you have no excuses, because having an LLC now means you're a small business owner. That means you're probably gonna create a logo, you're probably gonna make business cards, you're probably gonna make a website, maybe even a Facebook business page, and you're gonna treat it as an actual business and not necessarily just a side hustle that you're maybe doing. So there's the reasons I talked about with SamChat as to why I set it up, but then there's the mindset reasons of why you need to set up an LLC, and you have no excuses because I will do it for you for free. The third problem that a lot of new investors, and I guess just investors in general, come across is properly analyzing deals. From figuring how much to pay for a distressed property, to how much a rehab is going to cost, to if the property will cash flow if you keep it as a rental. There's a lot of different things that go into that, and if you don't stick to the numbers and sometimes you let emotion get involved, you can make mistakes that cost you a lot of money. So the solution I have for you here is the SamFasterFreedom calculator. It's a calculator that we put together over several years. We aggregated a ton of data, we tested a lot of different things, and we have built a calculator that I'm getting ready to walk you through, that I'm also giving you for free if you check the description below. Lots of free stuff in the description. If you can't tell, I'm trying to give as much as I can in this video. But what I'm going to show you is we're going to walk you through how much a rehab costs, to if a property will cash flow, even to how much to pay on a property. It's all there for you, and it's all free. All right, let's check it out. You go to the description below, again, you'll see a lot of giveaways there, but you're going to see the SamFasterFreedom calculator, or you can just go to SamFasterFreedomCalculator.com. Here's what you're gonna see. You're gonna see this homepage, and you're gonna see what you get: a rehab calculator, MAO calculator, and rental property analyzer. Just type in your name and email and you will get it sent to you. Let's check it out. Once you type it in, you'll see there's a 17-minute video on there that is a free training that I talk about how I bought my rentals. But for now, you just want to get the calculator, so let's just worry about that. All right, when you log in here, you're going to see some information on how to download it so you have it for yourself, but let's just quickly walk through it. Here you will see the rehab calculator. This is where you can put in every single item in a house, as well as some places for miscellaneous, so you're not going to miss everything. You can always add more bedrooms, add more bathrooms, whatever you want to do, but in general, this breaks things down, so when you're walking through a house or you're looking at pictures of a house, you can build a rehab budget from there. As you scroll down, you can see pretty much everything is accounted for with some miscellaneous costs, but also it even includes things like junk removal, cleaning, pictures before you list for rent or for sale, and then some contingencies in there, miscellaneous, and even gets into insurance, utilities, so it covers all your holding costs. At the bottom there, it covers your finance costs as well. So if you're borrowing money from a private lender, from a hard money lender, you put in the terms there, so it will calculate that in if you're going to flip the property or if you're going to rent it. Now let's look at what to offer. Once you build your rehab budget and you know what your ARV is going to be, you can simply type in what your ARV is after it's fixed up, and you can put in the repair amount that's calculated from the last tab, and then it's going to show you how much you should offer. And the last tab I want to look at here is your rental property analyzer. As you can see, this is where you're going to be able a lot of things populated from other screens. You're going to be able to have things calculated for you, and this is going to show you what your cash on cash return is, what your cash invested is, hopefully none, give you your cap rate. It's going to give you everything so you can see if there's going to be enough equity, meaning if you're going to a small local bank and doing a cash out refinance on a rental property, because this is a rental property analyzer, what you're going to do is you're going to want to make sure that you're able to be all in for less than the bank will give you. Meaning, if the bank will do an 80% LTV loan, you want to make sure you're all in for 80% or less so you get all your money back, which also includes your holding costs and money costs. So again, don't want to do too much detail on this. I have a video about how this calculator works up here, so check that out if you want. But go get this, play with it, have fun. All right, Up to the sun to end this one. As you can see, I'm putting a lot of effort into helping you get your real estate investing career started off on the right foot or get to that next level for free. I have almost 10,000 hours of free content on my YouTube, my podcast, The Faster Freedom Show, and across all social media platforms. So make sure you're following me on whatever platform you're on. Hopefully the fact that I'm up here sweating my butt off, can't see out of my right eye, you're gonna give this video a like and you're gonna subscribe to this channel and be looking forward to my next video, because all I do on here is give you free actionable advice on how to create wealth like normal people do. See you on the next one.